In today's video, we're going to share with you a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the English aristocracy. Nestled in the peaceful and picturesque countryside of Bedfordshire lies Wrest Park, an extravagant reminder to English wealth and opulence with a legacy that spans over 6 centuries. Once a playground for the nation's elite, it showcases a harmonious blend of French and English garden designs, lush landscape lawns and a Roman-style bathhouse. But the centrepiece of this great estate is a unique example of 19th century English architecture following the style of a French chateau. This magnificent house welcomes visitors with its sprawling 90 acres of exquisite design and horticultural mastery, a testament to 3 centuries of English garden evolution. The park is an elegant blend of formal and picturesque landscapes, interdispersed with over 40 statues and delicate water features. As you wander the estate, you're reminded that you're walking in the footsteps of aristocrats, dukes, duchesses and soldiers. The Wrest Park Mansion served as a military hospital during World War I. As you step inside this extravagant mansion, you're immediately transported to an era of unparalleled opulence and wealth. The interior of Wrest Park is a sublime fusion of various periods, each room telling a tale of time, taste and tenacity. As you ascend the grand stairs, the intricate detailing on the ceilings, stately portraits and elegant chandeliers hang as a silent witness to the bygone days of the de Grey family, the ancestral inhabitants. A short distance from the main mansion is the Archer Pavilion, built between 1709 and 1711. Set against a backdrop of intricate gardens, this ornate Baroque structure provides a striking contrast to the mansion's 18th century French-style architecture. A leisurely strolls through the lush landscapes and water features of the park easily connects visitors between these 2 historic buildings, making them both integral parts of the Wrest Park experience. The most stunning features of the pavilion's great room is its large circular room with a dome ceiling and its trompe-l'oeil wall paintings. One of its distinctive elements is the large windows, which provide panoramic views of the surrounding gardens. The estate has long been the abode of the prominent de Greys, an aristocratic family whose lineage witnessed its pinnacle of power when Edmund Grey was appointed the Earl of Kent in the mid-15th century by Edward IV. In keeping with traditions of the past, Wrest Park is also dog-friendly.
Thanks for watching, and you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell and give this video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.